important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Edgefield County in central South Carolina, Newberry County in central South Carolina, Saluda County in central South Carolina until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds near 60 miles per hour plus damaging hail. These storms were nearing the western borders of Edgefield, Newberry, and Saluda counties. Movement was eastward near 50 miles per hour. Some communities in the warning area include Whitmire, Saluda, Ridge Spring, Prosperity, Newberry, Johnston, and Edgefield. Report large hail, damaging winds, or flooding to your county sheriff, or call the National Weather Service, toll-free 1-800-77633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Newberry County, South Carolina. Tornado watch number 65.